A lightning strike has again impacted the Issa Schoolboy football season after Haile Selassie player Akeem Reed was hit on Tuesday afternoon. Haile Selassie were playing Cumberland in their Group A Manning Cup encounter, and the game was aborted after 15 minutes due to a waterlogged field. But Reed, who left his knee band on the pitch, went back on the field to retrieve it when he was struck and later taken to hospital. Assistant coach Ira Hemmings provided an update on the 18-year-old player.
The latest I get is 70%, from moving from 90 to 70 now. He's currently on the ward, getting a little bit from him now. He's responding much better than earlier in the day. Earlier in the day when we just reached, the doctor said that he's 90 out of 100. And trust me, I personally panic when I just see the incident took place, knowing that the player was actually flipping like a jumping jacks on the pitch. I rushed to him. I get assistant. At one point I thought that it was his last gap, but thanks to God, he is currently doing much better.
And Coach Hemmings has given some advice to Issa.
Well, personally, early on in the day I was saying that Issa needs to think about this competition. I think this is the second incident. I think Issa needs to think about it. For me personally, I will accept the fact if Issa decides to call the competition.
Reed will be kept in hospital overnight for more tests to be conducted. He was the only player affected in the incident. The match was locked at 0-0.